Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tor and this is Anthropology. So this is kind of an unexpected video. So I'm filming this on January 13th. It is the day of the release of the new Prada Adidas collab version 3. I'll link the video that I did down below. But we have kind of a fail. So I purchased the Prada Adidas A+P Luna Rossa white sneakers from SSENSE. I mentioned them in the other video as well because they were on sale from SSENSE for $380 down from $775. Regular retail price on Prada.com $845. I figured cannot go wrong. They're on sale, they're a limited edition collab, they're actually like not that bad, so like why not do it? So this came in the mail. This is what the box looks like. It's perforated on the side. This is what it says right there. So I was like, oh my god, so cute, love it, amazing. On SSENSE it said my regular size would be 39.5. I figured perfect because that's the size that I got in the other ones as well, so version 1. However, opening them up looks like this. I'm presented with, so this was the dust bag that I was presented with. Very cool, has these little claspy things like that. Why not? So adorable, love it. It's like a very technical type fabric. In the box, not sure if you can see, it says Adidas and Prada on the tissue paper itself. And these are the shoes. So they look like this. They have Prada written right there. They're very, very cute. However, they run insanely small. So I got my regular size like SSENSE told me to, and they do not fit. I literally struggled for 5 minutes just to put it on. And when I put it on, I was like, I can't. I just can't. I can't. So unfortunately, these are going back. Hence why I have not taken the tag off. So they're very interesting. This is like a very squishy material. This is the side profile. They have the classic Adidas 3 stripes, which you can't really see, but you can see them on. That's what the back looks like. And this is the side, the bottom. So they're so cute, but they run really, really small. So please size up at least a full size, honestly, at least a full size. So for example, I would have been good with a 40.5 when my regular size at Prada is 39.5. So if you're gonna get these, please size up. They are quite hard to find now, so you know, you may not have to worry about that. But if you do get them, please size up. All right, so this is just my very quick video. I just wanted to make it while I still had them. And since they've been a topic of this channel quite a bit, I figured it would be relevant. So I will be returning them. I will not be exchanging them for another size. I just feel like it's a lost cause at this point. I should just cut my losses, give them back, and call it a day. So thank you for watching this very short video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of these shoes. Let me know what you think of the collab as well, either on this video or the other video, and I'll link the other one down below as well. So bye guys.